This crypto bull market is still in full swing. We can see Bitcoin looking like it's about to push well above $200,000 per coin. That's why today's video focus is on one of the biggest projects that's hitting the market. If you do enjoy, make sure to smash the like and subscribe. This video is clearly not financial advice and is only intended for entertainment purposes. Meme coins are clearly dominating crypto in 2025. We can see one of the top categories right now is meme coins, and with them being one of the strongest plays for 2025, I'm actually going to go over one of the biggest coins that's right now hit the market. Pepe Heimer, one of the latest coins here. The layer 2 blockchain deep in the dankest corners of the internet where memes ruled supreme. Pepe Heimer has found the chain reaction, a layer 2 blockchain designed for zero fees, allowing the smallest frog to join, atomic hyperfi allowing farm yields under all market conditions, and gem fission helps holders find hidden gems with one touch. Here we can see their token pre-sale is available right now, raised more than $400,000 and available in a range of different cryptos, ETH, ARB, BSC. You can see right here, even have their token audit from Solid Proof, which we could jump into, see more about Pepe Heimer, the blockchain ecosystem. So they have a decentralized exchange where you can swap tokens at lightning fast speed. They have a bridge where you can move between chains. They'll have a roll up, follow transactions and verify everything, offering staking as well, all new token launchpad and the atomic hyperfi, and then also farm yielding, constant monitor with the help of AI, the Pepe Heimer bridge. So if you're launching a token, believe in the atomic frog father here, the Pepe Heimer exchange is offering no fees, no listing costs, fueling liquidity, top security, nuclear grade asset protection, cross-chain bridge here, making it really easy to move assets between different blockchains. Here you can apply directly within the website. Here we have the market overview from the AI infrastructure showing the percentage change since January 17th. We can go through and look at even more information. Here, the AI powered yield optimization, AI rebalancing, time efficient, and earn PM as the bonus. Plus here, their gem fission as well can quickly identify, target, and acquire the most valuable hidden gem with just a touch. So you can actually get in there. What are people saying about Pepe Heimer? All of the latest posts, all of the latest news outlets. Here, how to get into the project. You need to create a wallet, something like a MetaMask, and fund it with ETH or BNB. Then you'll be able to enter into the project and even stake your tokens. Here, the Pepe Heimer tokenomics. We can see 40% for the pre-sale, 10% marketing, 12% liquidity, 33% for staking and community, 5% for the layer 2 inventory. Plus, we can even read the white paper, really go over every single aspect of the project. And here, even the roadmaps, what we can expect out of 2025, the potential for a Binance listing. So we can actually see what they're expecting and going live with all their ZK roll-ups and all of their atomic Heimer fi. Don't forget all of their frequently asked questions, even links to their social channels. We can come over here and see on Yahoo Finance one of the latest news posts for Pepe Heimer. We go over all the aspects of the project. Here, projecting to reach more than 100,000. Go over all of their layer 2 ecosystem, exactly all of the tokenomics as we have previously gone through. Don't forget, they also have their solid proof audit, so we could go over everything and manual audit, have a look at all of their assessments as well, all the final words and what we can expect out of the contract. Plus, don't forget, we can come over to their social channels like their Telegram. Here, have more than 700 subscribers, a great way to chat with the team and the community. And don't forget about their X, 33 posts, over 4,000 followers. Here, the best way to stay up to date with all of the latest announcements coming out for the project. There we have it for Pepe Heimer and their latest pre-sale. If you have enjoyed the video, smash the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.